Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? I hope you are fine, you are beautiful, and you are happy wherever you are. Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys an amazing garlic water. Now have you actually tried taking garlic water? Have you actually considered taking garlic water? Do you know all of the health benefits it does to your body, to your skin, to your mental health, to your heart, your lungs? Like literally it helps so much. Okay, now this would actually help you to prevent sickness, disease. It will help you to stay healthy. It will also help you to stay young, strong, and really vibrant. Now there's a special way in which you can have this garlic water done. That is the way that I'm going to be showing you today. So do not skip, do not pause, just keep watching this video to the very end, okay, to see how I'm going to be doing this and showing you how to make garlic water to prevent all of those things and have your health fit. Beautiful. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a smash, like this video, subscribe, and share this video for me. Now let me take you right into the video. So guys, a glass of garlic juice in the morning is going to rejuvenate you. Now let me show you one great way in which you're going to be taking your garlic juice. Okay, so you're going to be needing garlic. Here I have garlic, and I'm going to be taking some piece of this garlic. Now when you want to take just garlic, you would have to take a little more of it, okay, since it's going to be garlic, just garlic anyways. So what you're going to be doing now is that you're going to gently remove the peel of this garlic. So I'm gonna be needing about 5 cloves of garlic. Okay, so here I have my garlic, and now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be sanitizing this. So I'm literally gonna be washing this off. And then turning that into a blender. Add water. And then what we'll do next is to blend this. After blending for about 60 seconds or 20 seconds, then what you do is that we're gonna be getting a glass cup. Okay, now you can either just turn this into a glass cup and then you drink it this way, adding just a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so you need to add just 1 or half cup of apple cider vinegar in this, or if you don't want the chaff in this, guys, you would have to sieve it. Now there are people who do not want to take the chaff of this garlic, yeah, so you can sieve it this way. Now after sieving it, then you add half cup of apple cider vinegar in this. Now why you need half cup of apple cider vinegar is that you have enough of the garlic juice in here already. Now the next thing you're going to be doing is that you're going to make this water hot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I boil water and then I'm going to be turning that into it. Okay, so you have to drink it hot, and here it is. Now this is actually hot. Now anytime you're drinking this garlic juice, okay, garlic water, it has to be hot. Okay, like hot enough for you to be able to swallow, not too much, okay, just enough for you to be able to swallow it. All right guys, so once a day or twice a day would help you a long way. It will help to flush out those substances in your body. It will help to clean your colon, clean your intestine, and it will help to increase your heart health. It will clean your liver, and it will make you stay healthy, live long, and be happy. So when you drink this at least 2 times in a day, adding up a little bit of that apple cider vinegar, you are good to go, guys. So go give this a try, and I'm sure you are going to be loving it really, really much. Now this is actually very helpful. This would actually wash down those excessive fats, give you that, you know, good health, make you stay away from, you know, all of the small sickness here and there, and you're going to be happy, literally. Okay, so go try this garlic water out and you're going to be happy you did. So if this video was helpful in any way, do not forget to give me a smash like this video, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Ciao.